Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your WhatsApp chats and all the media you sent into those chats. So first thing first, we need to press the three dots on the upper right and then press settings. After that, select the chats option and that should take you to your chat settings. Scroll down and press chat backup. And as you can see, we have a lot of settings, include video backup using cellular and Google account. So I'm going to use backup videos, and I'm going to use the Google account I already have signed in. And all you have to do after that, after selecting what you want, is just press backup, and that's going to back it up. And you can also change how many times it gets backed up by changing the settings that says backup to Google Drive. You can select monthly, daily, weekly, or you can select just backing up when you press backup. So that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.